Choo! What's going on, guys? Here doing another motovlog. Another motovlog. Another motovlog. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but I did something to my bike that I kind of wanted to do, make it look a little different. Yeah, I painted those two things. I painted this little, they're brush guards. This one I didn't get quite done just because it's starting to get dark and I wanted to do a ride. Put all that back on. I also went ahead and cleaned my air filter in here, which is a pain in the butt. It's really dirty, so I called everywhere, asked everyone, and I was basically like, yo, do you guys even, like, have my air filter? And they're like, what kind of bike? I was like, it's a 95 DR. 95 DR200, or DR125. And they were like, let me check. I'm gonna put you on hold. I was on hold for 15 minutes. I was like, are you freaking kidding me? Like, it's ridiculous. So I was on hold for 15 freaking minutes. And then I finally get back, they're like, sorry dude, we don't have it. Bye. And then they hung up. I was like, what the hell? And I called another place, Ride Now, which they told me it was gonna be $75 for an air filter. I was like, you're right. I was ordering one offline. So that's how my day's been going. And I also wanted to update you guys on my my damn helmet. So, funny story. It's not gonna come in the mail. It's gonna come through UPS. I was an idiot. I could have sworn it said USPS, but obviously it didn't. So it's supposed to come tomorrow. It says tomorrow by the end of the day. They haven't updated the tracking info. It's still leaving. It's still leaving Illinois. And so that's where I stand on my helmet. So guys, I was looking online and I was talking with my dad. I was like, Papa, I was like, what can I do for my bike to be a little quicker? And he's like, well, you gotta remember it's a 125, so you're not gonna be able to go super quick on it. And I was like, well, I'm gonna go online and see. So today in class, I was bored, so I went ahead and went online, typed in 1995 DR125, and I typed in, you know, specs, top speed, and everything, and they all say 65. 65 miles an hour. And I was like, are you kidding me? There's no way that this thing can go at 65. But actually, it might be able to if I shift it right. But pinned in 6th gear, short shifting everything, or shifting the right way, fully pinned at 6th gear, you're going to go the same speed. Oh, I better stop since there's a bunch of cars. Yeah, so my goal, I really wanted to make it so this bike, I want to be able to go like 45. That is all I need to go. I'll even take 40. That's 45. Hell yeah. I'm gonna let her get a little. I'm just gonna cruise, let her cool down. How's the paint doing? Yeah, so, well, hell yeah. First of all, that's dope. Got up to 45, so maybe I do just need to shift it a little bit different, but I don't give a fuck. And 3rd gear already at 20. Man, they should have made a 7th gear. That would have been dope. Woo! And so, like I was saying, shit, God, what was I talking about? I needed to hit 45. All I wanted was 45, and then fucking something else came up. Oh, the fucking paint I used. Okay, so on the sides, like you saw, which I think they look really nice. So the paint I use, sorry guys, I'm hyped that I hit 45. I've never hit, the highest I hit was 40. But I would let off because I sound too high on RPM, but I'm going, and it didn't sound that, it sounded high, but it didn't sound like high enough to where you didn't want to hold it for a long time. But then again, chill. Okay, so the paint I use, it's automotive paint, and it said it can withstand up to 250 degrees. Now, if I'm correct, your exhaust puts out right around that amount of heat, and maybe more, depending on, you know, how fast you're going or how much RPMs you have, or, you know, if you're revving it like crazy, then it's probably going to get a little hotter, but I don't fucking know. But, yeah, so I spray painted it, and first of all, it didn't work, so I was like, shit, you'd paint it, and it looked like there was oil and shit on it, so the paint would separate, and I'm like, why in the hell is this shit not working? And I was like, damn, I don't know, I have no idea why it wouldn't be working, or some shit like that. And, so I took a sand block and I sanded the fuck out of it, and I basically got it down where it was like silver, like it was like this. It looked just like this. Choo. And it was just like this, and I fucking did all that cool shit. And then I painted this one, which turned out really good. And the back one, I was doing really light coats on because it wasn't quite working out. Like, it was still kind of like doing that shit, but whoa, take it easy, cunt. I saw you almost go. God damn. Yeah, so it just wasn't sticking, it wasn't acting right, and we are clear. Check and make sure I have money. You're freaking kidding me? God damn it. Forgot all my money. I'll be back. Fuck. I left it all on my dresser. Whoa. She doesn't even fucking see me. Can I go over? Damn it. Oh shit, my bad, bro. Shit. Fuck, dude. That's that one guy that was helping me mount this. Let's go, you cunt. Damn it, I left all my money at home. Shit. Well, fuck. Well, guess I'm going home and getting that shit. Whoa, you bitch. People are so stupid, bro. God! Why? Fuck, should I go out this way? Fuck it. Make sure the helmet's on real tight. Oh, fuck. I'm going when that fucking light is red as fuck. Or after this car. Come on, get up there, bitch. Going 45. Sweet.
Go ahead and take it easy. Well, obviously I can fucking hit 45. But I don't fucking like how high RPM that is. So, now the tables are turned. Now I gotta ask you guys, is it good, okay, let's just keep it in the DR's perspective, is it good to drive a bike for a long period of time at high RPMs? You guys tell me. If you guys know, let me know. Because, shit, I don't fucking know, and I'm probably gonna end up just going home and looking online, but give you guys a chance to interact with my fucking channel up in this bitch. But what the fuck are these people doing? Woo! 45! And the top speed on this bitch is 65. Pinned completely. Whoa. Let's go, girl. Watch this shit. Kid in the maroon looked at me. What the fuck are these people doing? I'm gonna honk and watch. And honestly, to be honest, well, fuck, being honest, honestly and honesty, honestly and being honest are the same fucking thing. But to be honest, they probably didn't fucking hear my horn. Shit. Damn, I can't believe I forgot my wallet. I love how low the RPMs are right here. It's so beautiful. How's it going? Fuck. 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 A little close inspection. Ooh, it's getting a little sticky. Oh shit. Might need to get some, what's it called? Some of them, you know, fuck, what is it? I can't fucking remember what they're called. They're called something like, it's like, it can withstand up to like 500 degrees of heat if you use it or some shit. Fuck, should I just go across the street and cut through? Whoa. Actually, I'll go over here, guys. That's real quicker. Or shorter. Longer. It's longer, okay? It's longer. So, guys, by now, you guys have probably noticed I haven't mastered the wheelie yet. Which is actually probably a good thing. Because I'd probably be dead. So, chill! Look at that. That dad was hiking a football to his daughter. That's good, father-daughter bonding time. So, guys. Oh, no. Shit. I remember. I hope you guys like that music. I know I asked you while I was playing, but I hope you guys liked that music I put in that last video. I kind of like that because it helps make it, you know what I mean? It helps not, like, when I'm quiet trying to think of shit, you still got music in the back, so you're like, you're in your room like, fuck yeah. Oh shit, that's funny shit. Oh, he fucking stopped. Oh, he's thinking, and you're not fucking sitting there like, alright, I'm done with this shit. You got music, so you're like, oh, hell yeah, you know? Yeah! That dabber to me that time. I hate these pants. Number one, they got fucking oil filter grease and shit all over them. Number two, they flap like fucking Tweety Bird in the damn wind. I'm taking my time, bitch. Go ahead, take it easy. So I'm gonna go take a shortcut. So I was on my phone, so like when I ride around, other than when I'm recording, I put my phone in this little handy dandy thing, as you guys saw in 2 videos ago. 2 videos, yep. I found out that I can actually fucking cut through this spot instead of going through that neighborhood every goddamn time, so I don't look like a double idiot. So that is a good thing. It just goes all the way to the end, and then I can fucking... Damn, that paint's coming off, too. Fuck. That literally took me all... That literally took me from when I got home, 1:30 till 5 to do. And now it's just fucking coming off. What the fuck? I pay you good hard money, and that's what you give me. It's all good. Be careful. Last time I was riding through here when I wasn't recording, I almost got hit. That's one thing I need to do, is I need to do a video where I need to record when I'm just riding around, because I almost get hit a lot. Yesterday it was a fucking American Red Cross truck. Oh, what the fuck? I can't fucking get across. Man, that blows. I don't have a fucking dual sport either, bro. That really blows, doesn't it? Bitches! That's why you get a fucking dual sport too! I should have fucking added that on to my last video. God damn, that was hella dope. Chill. I beat you. Take that, you nice meal. You ever see that Vine where they, instead of saying, fuck her right in the pussy, it's take her out to a nice meal? Fucking funny. Ugh. 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 So, guys, I am in such a good mood. This is a good day, like always. Get my fucking helmet tomorrow. So if I fucking forget, I'm gonna go over my plans for tomorrow. Tomorrow's video, it's not gonna be a motovlog. I'm basically just gonna be going over the helmet. And it'll be pretty dope. I'm just gonna go over it. I'm gonna show you all the features it has. I will be wearing this one while I am talking about it. Chill. Fuck you, bitch. Yeah, so I'll basically... Motherfucker. Whoa, go ahead and take it easy. Really? Couldn't fucking leave me enough room to get in here? It's all good. Pull up real close. Damn, I want to jump that shit. Chill. Fuck. Yeah, dude, so all I fucking did all day was fucking sand and do a bunch of shit I didn't want to do. And shit. I fucking had to do it. I'm gonna go ahead and stop, because he will kill me. Bro, I should so freaking just... Oh. So guys, hope you guys like this video. yeah, guys, so I hope you guys like this video. I am going to, hopefully tomorrow, I will have the one on my helmet up. Sorry this video wasn't too much. I was just trying to get out and ride, you know, and have a good day. And, you know, update you guys on shit. And hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, hit the fucking like button. If you didn't, hit the fucking like button. Maybe it'll put you in a better mood. I don't know. That guy was just sitting over there. That guy earlier. Alright, guys. Oh yeah, fucking comment if you guys like the white, you know. If you do, maybe I'll fucking keep it. Maybe I'll fucking, well, I'll have to get the other paint like I told you, and then I'll fucking keep it. And I was thinking about doing some other shit white too. I like the white. The white looks sick. And white with a black carbon fiber helmet would look pretty dope if you ask me. So guys, you go have a real good day. Cheers! Later, guys.